welcome back to the vlog. I'm Gabby from Gabberdashery, and today I've got another fabric haul and sewing plans. Yay, my favourite video. So I definitely struggled today with not coming on here and saying exactly the same things I said last month, because I really want to make all of them again. But I thought that would actually be a little bit weird and a bit monotonous, so I've stretched my comfort zone a little bit and I'm trying to do something a bit different, because actually I'll start getting bored if I carry on making the same things over and over again, and I know that because I've done that before, and then I kind of get in a rut. And as a sewer I like to kind of, you know, stretch myself a bit. So yeah, so here I am. It's nighttime again, because it seems that I can only film vlogs at night at the moment because my days are very full with either toddler stuff, or actually I am working, doing lots of sewing jobs at the moment, which is very, very exciting, and I'm so pleased to have that income and everything, so that's been amazing. But yeah, I've just basically not found as much time to actually get on the vlog, apart from I've been doing my little daily videos for the Gabberdazzlers, but apart from that I'm not kind of getting so much time to do stuff like this. So here I am, it's basically 10 o'clock and I'm in my summer house, and I've put on all the lights so it looks as bright as possible. But yeah, so I'll get on with it. So I'm going to start with a fabric that you have seen before from the last vlog, this fabric. Just because I'm going to make something for Bee in it. I've got this much left, probably about 1.5 meters, I think, I hope. Maybe I haven't. I don't even know. I should have checked. Yeah, very well prepared. But Bee loves my dress so much. She talks about it all the time. Bee's my daughter, by the way, if people don't know. She's 3 next month. It's so exciting. So I think I'm going to whip her up a pair of leggings. I use the Brindle and Twig cuff pants, introduced to me by the amazing Hannah Rather Be Sewing, and I haven't looked back since. They're so lovely and easy to sew up and incredibly quick. So I thought I'd make Bee some of these in her size. In another size. I don't know why I said that. And yeah, and hopefully she'll be really happy, because I have made her a few things of the scraps that I've been wearing, because she said, I really love that and I want it. So yeah, of course I'm going to make it for you. The next is this one. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's another Rainbow Fabrics. Oh, I love it. It's really crepey. It's really soft. I'm going to give you a proper close-up. It's kind of like animal print, but not. So it's a bit zebra-y, but not. All my favourite colours are in there, and the orange goes so well with my hair. And yeah, obviously I love blue. So this is also a bit of a tricky one, because if I choose to make the same dress again, the Indigo, I feel like then I'll be kind of, you know, only have one dress in my closet, and maybe I should also spread my horizons a bit wider. So I love the Nancy dress from Sew Over It. It's a really cool shape. I'm going to show you right now so you know what I'm talking about. Really kind of A-line shape, but it's got an interesting construction where it's got like a panelled body basically. And I think it really suits my body shape. I think it suits every body shape actually. It's really flattering. And I have one of them that's maybe a little bit tight for me, so I think I might go up a dress size and make this into a Nancy, because it would be that way, wouldn't it, actually? Yeah, because I think that would be such a lovely dress, and maybe I'll go out at some point and then I can wear this. If not, I'll just wear it to, you know, the local park and stuff. That's fine. But I think, yeah, that would be really lovely. But there is a possibility that it might become another Tilling the Buttons Indigo, because I love that dress so much. It's been such a hit in my wardrobe. So such a hit. It's like a worldwide hit. Yeah, in my wardrobe is what I mean. So yeah, I think this would be really good as either of those. Let me know what you think, because I think this is going to be the last thing I make. And I'm putting this out tomorrow, so I'm not going to have made it by then, or even cut out a pattern or anything. So yeah, send me an idea, because it will be a dress, definitely. But what dress is up to you. Okay, next one. The Chandlers are definitely going to be made again because they are such a good trouser pattern. So Untitled Forts, Chandlers, have a look here. But the fabric I made them in is totally gorgeous, but it is a bit summery. It's a bit light and it's still really cold here. In fact, I keep thinking, oh, it's lovely and warm, and stepping outside and running back in the house and getting another jumper and a coat and a hat and scarf and gloves. You know, it's cold. It's still really cold. So I originally wanted to make Chandlers in this. I'm not actually going to unwrap it. I'm just going to show you a nice close up. It's a textured wool mix. It's from Cloth House. What was that shop called that they used to have? The Cloth House Outlet, maybe? But it was the kind of second shop that they had in Camden that was crazy inexpensive. I think I'm saying was because I think it's not there anymore, but it might be. Is it still there? I just haven't really been out of the house for 3 years, so I don't know what's out there. But yeah, if you know it, you will know what I'm talking about. But it was this incredible shop, and it had real rolls and rolls of fabric, all at like £3-4 a metre. And if you went to Cloth House Real in central London, it would be about £16 a metre. So it was just kind of like walking into a weird dream where you just had to take it. And I did. I took a lot of stuff from there. I bought a lot of stuff from there back in the day. And this was one of them. And so it's kind of got a light blue thread running through it, but it is like a dark grey. And it's thick, and it's like, but it's also got a lot of movement. So it's not a thick wool in any case. It's just kind of warm. That's the word I should say. It's warm. So I'm going to make Chandlers in this. And that would just be so nice to have a cozy pair of trousers. It'll go so well with this, right? But also I can wear patterned tops and jumpers with it. So yeah, I feel really good about these. So they are going to be another pair of Chandlers. And then, oh, this will go really well with them as well. Another jersey item. I'm going to always have a jersey item every month, probably a lot of them. But yeah, I'm going to pretty much always make a Tilly and the Buttons Freya top out of all the jerseys I have, because I wear them so much. They're just so incredibly useful, and as they get warmer they become the main jumper, and as they're and when it's cold they're the under jumper. So have I got one on today? No, I haven't. So typical. But lovely rainbow fabrics. Floral jersey. It's so soft. It's organic cotton, and it's just really beautiful. And it's just got some really lovely colours. I don't wear enough pink. I really like pink, and I just don't really wear enough, but I love little moments of it like that. I don't think it suits me that well. Maybe that's why I don't wear it. But anyway, I really love it in this, and I love the fact that it's like blue and yellow, come and meet pink. So it's adding another colour to my repertoire of pretty much only blue and yellow. So yeah, and it's navy background. I don't know if you can see that. So it's navy and all the pretty colours. I mean, it's making me feel really spring-like now. Oh, spring. So I think I've got a bit crazy tonight. I'm not making much sense, am I? Right, okay, I'm going to move on to the last one and leave you all in peace. I'm sure I'm going to get a comment going, Gabby, you're already crazy. You don't need to think you're going it. Right, the Marlo cardigan from True Bias has also been on my wish list, my to-sew list for a long time. You know, I love cozy things. I keep talking about how I'm cold, so I'm going to make another thing that's going to make me warm. And here is another cozy, textured, fluffy, soft, ribbed ponte. I don't want to say jersey because it's definitely thicker than a jersey. Interlock. I don't know what it is. On one side it's like this. On one side it's like that, and on the other side it's like this. Can you see? Oh, it's really not coming out well. It's not coming out well at all. That did not look good, did it? I think because I'm wearing yellow, every time I pull something over me, it looks a bit odd. So maybe if I go out of the camera, and then maybe that's a bit better. So yeah, this is going to be a Marlo sweater, and I've got loads of big chunky buttons somewhere. So I'm really excited actually to use some of my big chunky buttons to make to use for the cardigan. And yeah, it'll just go with everything. I mean, a navy cardigan goes with everything, doesn't it? So maybe I'll find some big yellow chunky buttons. Classic. But I probably will. The only thing I might do to change it up a bit, add a bit more colour, because I obviously need more colour, is that I might use this for the cuffing, because I love this stuff. I can't stop getting it because I keep putting it on all of Bee's clothes as well. Rainbow cuff, I could just put it on everything. In fact, I am wearing a dress underneath with it on. But yeah, so I thought actually maybe I could just do a cheeky little flash of rainbow just on the sleeve cuffs, just at the end, basically, just like that. I would just colour up a navy cardigan. So yeah, actually, I'm definitely going to do that. I'm going to do the rainbow cuffs on the sleeves and find some really cool big buttons. And there's my Marlo. So that is it. So it is actually March on Tuesday. So it definitely won't be February makes. This is definitely going to be March makes. And probably into April as well. I don't know. I've got Bee's birthday, so I've got loads to do, and I've got these commissions that I've got to sew up. So we'll see. I definitely did set the bar too high. I need you to know this. My last sew and tell, I'm not going to be able to be that prolific, but I was just really lucky that things just fell into place and Bee went to bed a bit quicker and things like that, and it really helped. But now I've got loads of other jobs and her birthday. And my birthday's on the 16th of March, just in case you wanted to know. I'm going to be a very, very busy Bee, which is great, and I'm really pleased about that. But yes, so we'll see how my output goes. Hopefully I can, show you something before the end of March, so that'll be good. But if not, I'll find some other things to talk to you about, don't you worry. So I hope you're all really, really well, and whatever you're up to, have a lovely weekend. Lots and lots of love. Take care. See you next time. Bye. I just want to make you